Okay, this is just very quick concept. Pretty much we know that a lot of windmill generators that produce electricity off the wind, I think they're just wasting the energy that the wind is. The wind goes to one set of blades, and once it's finished with that, it goes to the back or the sides, and that's it. It's gone. You have to recycle the same wind over and over and over to acquire more power, or focus that wind power into one point. In this case, I have the wind blades that generate the electricity. By itself, it's just it's not acquiring a lot of speed. But if you put a cone in front of it, a wider cone that rotates toward the direction of the wind, that larger opening uh, uh, will actually focus more the wind into the blades and make them go faster and more energy. So the wider this is, the more power the blades will have. So all you're doing is putting a cone in front of it that rotates toward the direction of the wind, and then you have more power. Now we know that one set of blades, the wind would just go through the first set, and the energy will be wasted. But if you have a cone and the winds go through the blades, then they go toward the cone, and then they go back again. You can use that same wind over again and recycle that wind over and over until they go out to the back of the cone. So you recycling the same wind over and over and over, and it'll get more energy than just one set. You have triple set or more, but the first set will be larger, and then the second smaller and smaller. But each way it's going to be focusing more the wind, because as the cone gets tapered, the wind gets compressed and it gets more power. So basically you're using the same space where the wind's going to travel through, but you're going to recycle that over and over and over by adding a cone shape to prevent the wind from escaping and going through the backside. But at the same time, you're using the wind over and over and over to get more energy out of one how should I say this, the same cubic feet of air. You're going to be recycling that over and over and over, and you get more power. So that's the advancement with this technology concept of my idea invention, is basically have a cone shape to focus the direction of the wind and get that extra juice to the blades. So this is for all those guys that like to have these windmills and all these generators, the power from the wind. You want to focus that energy, which is the wind itself. So the larger the cone, the more wind you trap in the direction of the wind, and the more power you'll have for your blades. So that's the concept. So it's very simple. You guys have a good one. This is just for those who like to have free energy off the wind.